What if cash money quietly disappeared without anyone asking for permission? No bills, no coins, just digital payments. This is called a cashless society. A cashless society is a system where physical money is no longer used, and all payments are made digitally, through cards, mobile apps, or digital wallets. Governments and financial institutions say going cashless makes transactions faster, safer, and more efficient. It reduces crime, lowers costs, and allows better tracking of illegal activity. But here's the other side. When cash disappears, every transaction leaves a digital trace. That means spending can be monitored, analyzed, and potentially controlled. Supporters argue this creates transparency and convenience. Critics warn it removes financial privacy and creates dependence on digital systems. Around the world, many countries are already moving toward cashless payments. Some stores no longer accept cash. Some governments are reducing cash circulation year by year. When combined with digital ID systems and central bank digital currencies, cashless societies become even more powerful. Access to money can become instant, but also conditional. The real question is not whether cashless societies are coming. It's whether people will have a choice. Understanding why cash is being phased out helps us understand the future of money itself.